Welcome back to political science class session number 2 of the day, right? And the 4 of this week, I think so. Okay, right? Yeah, 4th session of this week. One more session is there, but I think it is not possible because that is Saturday, right? Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd of October. So I think it's all day. Okay, so next class is on coming Tuesday. Clear? Okay, so this is the last class of this week. Almost 4 classes completed, and the next class is on next or coming Tuesday. So the thing is the preparation. Okay, so the things that what we discussed so far from this chapter: legislature, the powers of Rajya Sabha, powers of Lok Sabha, functions. Okay, and the importance of parliament, all such kind of things you should learn properly. You have 4 days with you people. Okay, clear. So at least one day will be there, right? Sunday. Okay, all other days you have classes, I know. Okay, anyway, please prepare that. Okay, and I will ask some questions on that day, or we will conduct a short examination, short test. So I told you short test, so you will escape, right? Okay, so I will give a chance for you people. So learn this chapter. So for what are the things discussed? Okay, on Tuesday we'll conduct a small class test. Okay, so we will complete the powers of Lok Sabha here. Okay, so here we are. Privileges we discussed in the morning session, right? The last topic that what we discussed is the privileges. Privileges. Next one, powers and functions of the Lok Sabha. Powers and functions of the Lok Sabha. Okay, so different powers are there for the Lok Sabha. They are enjoying those powers. First of all, legislative powers. Legislative powers. Only we know that it is not just a organ to make laws. There are a number of other activities also are there for the Lok Sabha. Other powers also are there for Lok Sabha. Here it is. An ordinary bill can become law only after it has been passed by both the houses of parliament. It can be introduced either in the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. When a bill is introduced and passed by the Lok Sabha, it is sent to the Rajya Sabha. After it has secured the approval of Rajya Sabha, it goes to the president for his signature. Okay. So a bill, do you know what is a bill? Okay, so a bill is nothing but a proposal to make a law there. Okay, clear or not? So it can be present by a minister or any member of the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Okay, but first of all, it will discuss in the Lok Sabha. Okay, Lok Sabha decided that it is good. Okay, it can be converted into a law. Okay, clear or not? Then they will send that into the Rajya Sabha for observation. Clear or not? They will check it again. Okay, the discussion will be there. The second discussion will be there. Right? 2 times they will discuss. Okay, one is in the Lok Sabha, other is in the Rajya Sabha. Yeah, tell me.
Have a doubt. If a central government give any law, sometimes state government will not accept it.
Okay, central government in the sense the laws that made by the government or the parliament for the entire country, every government want to accept it. Clear or not? Related with the concurrent list and the central list. If the central government makes one law, each and every government, the state governments want to accept it. Clear or not? There is no excuses there. Okay, understand? Clear.
In our state, some laws are not accepted by the government.
What are those laws? Please tell me.
Petrol prices, GST, like.
So okay, that's an what we can say. It's a meeting. Okay, so it's a bilateral meeting basically. Both these two parties. Okay, clear. The representatives of the central government and the representatives of all the state governments also sat together and they discussed that. It was a debate. Clear or not? In that debate, the state government said that, or they told to the central government that they are unable to accept the central government policies. It is not a law, clear or not made as a law that clear. That it was a discussion. Okay, if the state governments agreed on that, definitely they will it will convert into a law there, right or not? But they disagree that. So that's what in democracy always discussions and deliberations are there. We studied that, clear or not? So it was just a discussion. Clear, Amal Roshan?
Sir.
In that discussion, okay, the state government's opinion that it is not good for their income sources, okay, or source of income. Clear or not? So state governments, number of state governments opposed to that statement or that policy by the government. I mean, the central government. Okay, as a result of that, central government stepped back from that. Clear? Clear? Okay. If it is made as a law, it is a law only. Clear or not? Everyone want to accept it. Yeah, tell me.
Lakshadweep issue is made by a law. Lakshadweep issue that nobody want to eat meat.
A Lakshadweep issue. Okay. So Lakshadweep issue in the sense it's the central government territory. Clear or not? Okay, it's a union territory. Clear. So who can take the decisions there? Who will take decision?
Sir, but why in the Nema Sabha in Kerala legislative, why they're discussing about to help?
Definitely.
Why?
So Malayalam, the language, you know that this Malayalam is the language of Kerala, the state of Kerala, basically. Okay, and the people in where Lakshadweep also using the same language. Their language also Malayalam. Clear or not? Basically, the people of Lakshadweep they had a strict connection. Or today we can say that a good connection with Kerala. Okay, they use the Cochin port. Okay, Cochin port to reach the mainland of India. Mainland of India. Clear. Number of students from Lakshadweep, they are studying in Kerala universities. Clear or not? So always we made there is a good connection between Lakshadweep and Kerala. Clear or not? So the central government took some decisions. The people of Lakshadweep, they are not ready to accept it. Okay, clear or not? Understanding or not? They are not ready to accept it. So basically, they will seek help from the front or the French, the people, the state, those who creating or those who maintaining a good relationship with that area, right? This is Kerala. It is Kerala. Clear. So they seek help. Okay, clear or not? The people of Lakshadweep. Number of people are there in Kerala. They are working in different government departments. Okay, they are from Lakshadweep. Clear. So that's what. It's a matter of what you can say, a kind of influence. Okay, it is not related with the constitution, law, or rule or something that. Okay, it's a case of attachment. Okay, clear? Is that clear, Amal Roshan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but technically, it is the central government. The central government can take decisions there because it's a union territory. Clear? Yes or no?
Sir.
Okay, so power of the central government. Even Delhi, you know that. Capital territory of India, right? Right? So the state government is there. Okay, state government is there. Delhi government is there. But the police is under the control of 1 minute. Okay, so hope that idea is clear for you. Okay, so Delhi, what I told that it is the state government is there at the same time. The police department of that particular area is under the control of the central government. Clear? Central government. Okay, so direct control is there for the central government because it is national capital territory. National capital territory. Okay, so in those areas, basically, it is the central government that they will take decisions. There is no voice for the state government to interfere in such kind of things there. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. So, but in the case of state affairs, okay, central government basically they will not interfere in that. Clear? Related with the state list. So provision is there in the constitution. Clear? Related with the rules and regulations of the state or a regulation that a state can handle or control. Okay, so come back. Next one, legislative powers. Okay, so legislative powers we discussed up to here. After this become a law, although ordinary bill can be introduced in either of the two houses of the parliament, at almost 90% of the bills are actually introduced in the Lok Sabha. In case of Rajya Sabha rejects a bill passed by the Lok Sabha and returns it with or without some amendments, I mean changes. Okay, the Lok Sabha reconsiders the bill. Okay, so the first case, okay, if the Lok Sabha accepted it, it will send it to the Rajya Sabha, right? Clear or not? The Rajya Sabha also accepts, so what will happen there? Then after it has secured the approval of Rajya Sabha, it goes to the president for his signature. So after that signature, that will turn into a law. Clear? Understand? The bill will, the proposal will turn into a law. Okay, it will turn as a law there. Okay. So in some cases, the Rajya Sabha will not accept it. They will reject with some notes. Okay, like amendments, some changes. Okay, that time again the Lok Sabha will reconsider the bill. Again they will observe. Okay, if any changes is necessary, they will change it. If the Lok Sabha repasses it, and the Rajya Sabha is still not prepared to pass it, a deadlock occurs. If this deadlock remains unresolved for 6 months, the president summons a joint sitting of the two houses. The decision of the joint sitting is accepted by both houses. Clear? Okay. So in the second time, okay, second time also, if Rajya Sabha is not accepting that particular bill, it is termed as a deadlock. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so a deadlock occurs. The second time also, the Rajya Sabha is not accepting the bill that passed by the Lok Sabha. That is termed as a deadlock. At that time, the president will summon, okay, the meeting of two houses together. Okay, clear? A joint session, a joint sitting of two houses. Okay, the decision of the joint sitting is accepted by both the houses. Okay, and finally, both these houses, I mean, members in both these houses will sit together to take a decision. And in that meeting, what decision is taken by the members, okay, it will considering as the final decision. Okay. Next one, executive powers of the parliament. For all its work, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible for the Lok Sabha. The leaders of the majority of the Lok Sabha become the Prime Minister. Most of the ministers are from Lok Sabha. The ministers remain in office so long as they enjoy the confidence or majority in the Lok Sabha. So as we know, all these things are right. Okay, we discussed earlier. The Lok Sabha can remove the ministry from office by passing a vote of no confidence motion. That also we discussed. Next, finally, MPs can also ask questions from ministers about their policies and activities of administration. They can criticize their policies. They can move the adopt several types of resolution and motions. Okay, it's going to be adjournment motion, call attention motion, okay, censure motion, and no confidence motion. Okay, and can reject any bill of the government. So these things are not that important for you people. Okay, not as per our text. Okay, so got it. So if you want to write, you can write it. 5 minutes for you. Okay, bill introduction in either house. In the case of non-money bill sent to the committee or discussed in the house itself. Okay, one more time I'm repeating that. Okay, bill, first of all, the proposal that's termed as the bill. Okay, that will introduce in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Clear? If it is a non-money bill, if it's a money bill, it will discuss only in the Lok Sabha. Okay, and the Rajya Sabha can give some suggestions. Okay, so in the case of non-money bill, again it will go to where the bill will send it to the committee or discussed in the house itself. Okay, a committee will form to study about the bill. Okay, that committee will collect information from the people and they will attach those informations in their report, committee report on that particular bill. Then they will send that to the house, Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. Clear? We started from the Rajya Sabha, they will send it to Rajya Sabha. We started from the Lok Sabha, we'll send it to Lok Sabha. Okay. Then what will happen there? The house will discuss the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. They will discuss this properly. Okay. Then finally, they have the right to reject it or accept that bill. If it is accepted, it will send it to the other house. If it is accepted by the Lok Sabha, it will send it to Rajya Sabha. But if it is accepted by the Rajya Sabha, it will send it to Lok Sabha. Clear? Okay. Then other house also approves. Okay. What will happen there? It will send it to the president for his final approval, for his signature. After that, we can say that the bill becomes a law, that turned into a law. Clear? If the second house is not accepted, what will happen there? A deadlock will be there. Okay. Then a joint session of two houses will be there. Okay. Under the leadership of or under the control of the president. Clear? Okay. Finally, in that meeting, in that summon, what decision will be there? It will be considering as the final decision. Final decision related with the majority. Okay. So now you can read. Come on, now tell me the procedure.
So first, people will be asked their inputs, and with the people's
No. People's input, it is not in the first one. It is not the first in order. Okay. So what is the first one? The proposal, the bill, right? That's what the first one. Clear? But in that diagram that comes first, that one I told that. Okay. It is not the first in that order. Bill is the first one in that order. Okay. Tell me now.
So the first will be the proposal of the bill, and then people's inputs,
No,
and that will.
No. Please check in that diagram and tell me. Kevin, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What will happen next?
So introduction in either house.
Hmm.
So then the house may or may not accept.
Hmm.
Then so the detailed discussion of the bill of the house. Bill is
Okay.
accepted or rejected. Then it's sent to the other house, and
Hmm.
then the other house approves or gives recommendations, and then if required, there'll be a joint session of the parliament. President approves or sends back for consideration and becomes law.
Reconsideration. So president have the power to consider or reconsider that, right or not? Okay, or agree or not agree. Okay, or disagree. So that also is there. Okay, so just keep that idea in your mind. Amal Roshan, tell me please. Bill into a law. What is that procedure?
First, make a bill
Hmm.
introduction in either house in case
Hmm.
of non-money bill.
Hmm.
Then bill sent to committee or discussion in the house itself.
Okay.
Committee gives report. House may or may
Report with the what?
Eh?
Committee gives report with what? In that report, what will be there? What they include?
what people's input.
Yeah, definitely. People's inputs will be there. Okay, come on.
Then house may or may not accept the report. Detailed discussions of bill in house.
Hmm.
Bill is rejected, accepted or rejected.
Hmm.
Sent to other houses.
Hmm.
Other house approves or gives recommendation.
Hmm.
Joint section of parliament if required.
Hmm.
President
Joint session. Joint session. It's called session is a
Joint-
meeting. Okay.
Yes. President approves or sent back for reconsideration, and then it makes bill becomes law.
It will
For
become a law. Okay, fine. That's good. So this is a procedure. Okay, this is the procedure here. So you can see next page 112. You can see types of bills. There are different types of bills are there that we will discuss in the next class. What are they? Private member bill, money bill, non-money bill, government bill. Non-money will be divided into ordinary bill and the constitutional amendment bill. Okay, these are the different types of bills there. Clear? Okay, so in the parliament, I mean, basically in the Lok Sabha, we can present all these types of bills there. Okay, but in Rajya Sabha, what is that? Except money bill, other bills. Clear? Clear. So just keep that idea in your mind. That we will discuss in the next session. Okay. Moving to the notes here. Okay, next one. Related to the executive powers of Lok Sabha, it rejects any policy or decision of the cabinet. So, okay. So, Lok Sabha has the power to reject or accept the decision or policy that made by the cabinet. Clear? Next one, or disapproves the budget or a bill of the government. Okay. So, that power also is there with the Lok Sabha. Okay. Approve a money bill or disapprove. Okay. Basically, the bills related with the budget. The decisions are related with the budget. Okay. Next one, third one, passes a vote of no confidence against the Prime Minister. It is taken to be a vote of no confidence against the entire Council of Ministers and it resigns. Okay, NS. Okay, entirely. Clear. Okay, no confidence motion. No confidence motion is the only power of the Lok Sabha. Clear or not? Okay, but there is no accurate or correct majorities in the Lok Sabha. The no confidence motion will be there, and the Prime Minister want to resign along with all his ministers. Okay, so write it up here.